How are you all? I hope all of you are doing very good and all of you are well. And today I am going to start a new chapter in GK. Today I will not teach you history. Today I will teach you GK. But GK is one of the important part of academics because GK is the subject which means general knowledge. And nowadays GK is very vast. है ना? And GK is that subject which is very important and it is one of the part of competitive exam. So wherever you try for a competitive exam, you must know that you must be practiced very well in GK because in every competition exam GK is asked. So that is why children are taught general knowledge subject at the very beginning. So let's start this chapter. Today I am going to teach about preposition. It is a part of grammar. It is a part of English grammar. Preposition. So what are preposition? Definition of preposition and how do we use it in different sentences and what are the different types of preposition. That we will going to start here. So let's see. Start. Preposition. Preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Like it is definition. Yes, this part is called the definition. Preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is actually a word. Preposition is actually a word that indicates. Preposition is a word. What is preposition? It is a word that indicates, means which tells us the relationship. It is the bonding between noun or pronoun. Yes. Preposition is the word which is the bonding or relationship between noun or pronoun, or sometimes it is maybe with other sentences. So there are different types of preposition. You can see that for example, the cat is on the table. So what is preposition here? Preposition is on. But a preposition, the word position, the word I am talking about the position. So the position of something, what is there, is known as preposition. Like the cat is. Suppose it is blank. Suppose fine, there is a table. There is a table and here is a cat. So where is the cat? Cat is not in the table. You can see the picture. Cat is not in the table. Cat is not under the table. Cat is not behind the table. Cat is on the table. Fine. Like suppose this is a book. This is a book and this is a marker. This marker I am putting here. So the position of marker. What is the position of the marker? It is not in that. It is not in the book. It is not inside the book. It is not under the book. It is not behind the book. It is not in front of the book. Fine. It is on the book. Book के ऊपर है. Book पर रखी गई है. रखा गया है ये marker. So what is the position of this marker? It is on the book. Fine. Similarly, Actually in position we have to find, in preposition we have to find the position of the word. So the position of cat is on the table. See, it is a cat and it is lying on the table, not under the table, not behind the table, not in front of the table. ये cat जो है कहाँ है? टेबल के ऊपर है, ऑन। तो ऊपर वर्ड के लिए, ऊपर वर्ड के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? ऑन। अगर ये कैट इस टेबल के नीचे होती तो हम क्या लिखते? अंडर। कौन सा प्रीपोजिशन लगाते? अंडर। अगर ये कैट इस टेबल के पीछे होती तो हम क्या लिखते? बिहाइंड। कौन सा प्रीपोजिशन यूज करते? बिहाइंड। अगर ये कैट इस टेबल के सामने होती तो हम क्या लिखते? इन फ्रंट ऑफ टेबल। फाइन। सो ये कैट की पोजीशन पे डिपेंड करता है कि ये कहाँ है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम ये प्रीपोजिशन बिहाइंड, अंडर, इन फ्रंट, ऑन, ये सारे क्या हैं? दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन। सो बेटा इस कैट की पोजीशन को देख करके हम बताएंगे कि इसका प्रीपोजिशन वर्ड क्या होगा। फिलहाल हमारा प्रीपोजिशन वर्ड, प्रीपोजिशन क्या होगा? इट विल बी in the table, on the table, on the table. What will be the correct answer? It will be on the table, क्योंकि ये कैट जो कहाँ है? ये कैट है आपकी टेबल के ऊपर। So the correct answer is the cat is on the table. Fine. So now let me tell you some more examples related to preposition. Fine. There are lots of prepositional word like first number, the clock is on the wall, है ना? The clock is on the wall. अब देखो ये एक बॉल है, हाँ, इस पर क्या है? एक वॉच लगी हुई है, ठीक है? ये एक वॉच है। फाइन। सो ये वॉच की पोजीशन क्या है बेटा? बॉल के अंदर है, बॉल के पीछे है, बॉल के नीचे है, या बॉल पर लगी हुई है। वॉच कहाँ लगती है? नहीं, क्लॉक कहाँ लगती है? क्लॉक लगती है दीवार के ऊपर। लाइक सी, इट इज द व्हाइट बोर्ड। ये व्हाइट बोर्ड, ये जो व्हाइट बोर्ड है ये कहाँ लगा हुआ है? इस वॉल के अंदर लगा हुआ है, इस वॉल के पीछे लगा हुआ है, इस वॉल के सामने लगा हुआ है, सामने, या फिर इस वॉल पर लगा हुआ है। So the correct answer will be the clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. क्योंकि ये जो क्लॉक है, ये जो क्लॉक है, ये क्लॉक ये कहाँ लगी है? वॉल पर लगी है। So for this reason, which preposition we will use? We will use on. Which preposition we will use? We will use preposition on. Now second number. The vase is between the book and the lamp. अब देखो बेटा, अब क्या बताया जा रहा है इसमें? वास। वास क्या है? एक फ्लावर वॉस, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसमें हम क्या रखते हैं? फ्लावर्स रखते हैं। ये देखो, ये एक टेबल है ना? ये एक टेबल है। फाइन। अब यहाँ पे क्या है? ये एक फ्लावर वाज है, इसमें बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स लगे हुए हैं। ये देखो, दीज आर द फ्लावर वाज। लेकिन ये फ्लावर वाज की पोजीशन कहाँ है? बिटवीन द बुक एंड द लैम्प। अब ये नहीं यहाँ पे बुक, बुक यहाँ पे, और क्या है? लैम्प। लैम्प मतलब कि ये रहा एक लैम्प लगा हुआ। फाइन। सो हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट विच ऑब्जेक्ट? हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वाज। वाज मीन्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट वेयर वी कीप फ्लावर्स। तो वाज कौन सा हो गया? ये हो गया वाज। और इसकी पोजीशन कहाँ है? इसकी पोजीशन है बुक। ये है बुक और ये है लैम्प। फाइन। सो वाज कहाँ है? बुक और लैम्प के बीच में है। So which preposition we will use? We will use between. Okay, between मतलब कोई भी चीज जो दो चीजों के बीच में रखी हुई है। जब कोई चीज़ बीच में रखी हुई होती है किसी के, तो उसके लिए हम प्रीपोजिशन यूज करते हैं बिटवीन। सो देयर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन लाइक इन, ऑन, अंडर, बिटवीन, इन फ्रंट, behind. These are some regularly used preposition. So two examples I have shown you that what are these preposition and how are these used. So generally in our conversation where we are finding these sentences and we can find ourselves that what is the preposition exactly. Now beta, I will start about what are homophones. Actually, the word homophones means the word homo. Yes, the word homo means equal, है ना? And phones means something related to sound. Something related to sound. So if we connect both the word, then what definition we will get for homophone? Homophones are words. Homophones are such words that sounds the same. While a pronunciation they are same, but they have different spelling. They have different spelling. उनका साउंड तो एक जैसा होता है बोलने में, है ना, लेकिन उनकी स्पेलिंग अलग होती है और स्पेलिंग अलग होने के कारण they have different meaning too. Fine. Homophone. One topic is homophone. They have same sound but different spelling and different meaning. Clear? Homophone is a word which has सेम साउंड दोनों का सेम होगा, लेकिन उनकी स्पेलिंग भी अलग होगी दोनों वर्ड्स की, और दोनों उनका मीनिंग भी अलग होगा. हाउ लेट्स वी सी. लाइक इट इज फ्लावर, FLOUR, फ्लावर. ये है FLOWER. ठीक है. फ्लावर माने कि जो पिसा हुआ आटा होता है. फ्लावर माने मैदा. ठीक है. ये है FLOUR, फ्लावर मीन्स मैदा जो हम घर में खाते हैं आटे की तरह जो होता है एकदम बारीक वाइट पाउडर. एंड सेकंड इज फ्लावर. ये भी फ्लावर है. इसका भी दोनों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम है, बट स्पेलिंग देखो बेटा, स्पेलिंग इज टोटली चेंज. इट इज FLOUR एंड दिस इज FLOWER. दिस इज flower, this is also flower, but spelling is totally changed. Fine. And meaning is again totally changed because it means an eatable item, and this means a flower. Flower means फूल जो हम देखते हैं. Now next is BUY, by, and it is BYE, by. By means BUY, by. It is pronounced by, and this is BYE. Pronunciation is by. Both the pronunciation is same, but meaning is different. BUY, by means to purchase. Okay, to purchase, कुछ खरीदना है ना. And this is to say see off. किसी को जाने के समय बाय बोलते हैं, सी ऑफ करते हैं किसी को, that is called by. So here we can say that both the words have the same pronunciation. बोलना इनका साउंड सेम है, लेकिन इन दोनों वर्ड्स की स्पेलिंग अलग है, इन दोनों वर्ड्स के जो है मीनिंग भी अलग है. फाइन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द homophones here. Now we will talk about what are homonyms. Actually beta, in homonyms we find the same word, the same spelling, same but meaning is totally different. How? Let's see. So first of all we will write about the definition of homonyms. Homonyms are the word which have the same spelling and same pronunciation that homophones are those words which has same spelling, same pronunciation but different meaning. How? See, first word, it has same spelling. Spelling is same spelling, same pronunciation. It means कि when we speak homonyms, they have same spelling. We cannot identify the difference between the spellings. Spelling is almost totally same. And pronunciation, by pronunciation, when we sound these words, these are again same, but meaning is totally different. How? See, this is PALM. Palm is the word which has two different meanings. How? But the first palm means this hand. This is the area which we call our palm. So this is our hand and this area is called palm. Fine. And second is that palm which is related to palm tree. So again this is the same spelling, PALM, palm. Fine. L will be silent. So the first palm means a hand area and the second palm means that tree. So that is the homonyms which have the same spelling. And second one is tray. Tray means, first it means a train. A train. A vehicle. A running vehicle. Fine. First train means, and to second train means to guide someone. To guide किसी को ट्रेनिंग देना, है ना, किसी को किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में, किसी भी गेम के बारे में, किसी भी कोर्स के बारे में ट्रेनिंग देना, उसको सिखाना. That, so now you see the train word is similar, same pronunciation is same. So the first word means the vehicle, train, है ना, जो पटरी पे चलती है. Second is to guide or to give training. So we can find that both the words are having the same spelling, same pronunciation, but meaning is totally different. So this is all about the homophones. But now I will start one more new topic, and the topic name is our body organs. Beta, or from our top to bottom, है ना, from head to toe we have different body organs, है ना, different body parts. Fine. So we all know numbers of body parts we have, but today we will start few. I have taken random body organs that we all know. Fine. Like inside our body there are some organs which we need to know. So this is the organ which helps us to digest food. Whatever food we are eating from mouth, these are going from the food pipe and getting stored here. So what is the part, or what is the name of that part where our food is processing? Fine. So the part's name is this is stomach. Yes, it is the body organ where our food is getting stored inside this packet, and this packet process all the food and sending this food items to the intestines further. So the main process of the food takes place inside the stomach. Fine. Now this body part, yes, this is that part which makes our body alive. इसी के कारण हम जिंदा रहते हैं. The beats of our body get tuned here only. And what is the name of this body organ? This is our little heart. This is our little heart. Beta, yes. Heart is that body organ which keeps pumping every time keep pumping, because if it stops to pumping, human being will immediately die. So this is that part of our body which keeps us alive, and हमारी लास्ट सांसों तक भी ये पंपिंग करता रहता है ताकि हमारी बॉडी चलती रहे. नेक्स्ट इज दिस पार्ट. दिस पार्ट इज लोकेटेड इनसाइड आवर स्कल. ये स्कल है और स्कल के अंदर ये बॉडी पार्ट होता है. This help us to think, to memorize everything. All the sensory message of our body is received by this part. So what is the name of this body organ? It is brain. What is it? Brain. So बेटा ये मैंने randomly कुछ body organs के नाम लिए हैं and rest of the part you identify and you fill yourself. I hope you have enjoyed this session and you must see that there are not only these the limited body organs, there are different kinds of body organs even like lungs. Yes, one more lung is there. Lung is that body organ. See, lung is that body organ which is like this. It is the body organ which helps us to breathe, है ना? Like here, this is the body part which helps us to breathe. We take fresh air inside and we release carbon dioxide out of it. So this body part's name is lungs. So there are different body parts which are in our body. And so this is all about today's body organs. So you all go through it. You learn these very well, and if you find any difficulties, you please ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.